Let there be light. I have been doing a lot of wiring. I have fuse and relay box. I have some other fuses over here. These are the lights. These are more engine related, like fuel pump, injection pump, alternator, so on and so forth. So I also I've always liked to do this where I modify it where the low beams don't turn off with the dimmer switch. All that you're doing is turning on the brights. So some slow but sure progress. Got the dual batteries wired up. Got a permanent battery maintainer installed because I probably won't drive this truck a lot. I mean, not every day at least. So I want it to be ready to go when I'm ready to go. So little update on FrankenTruck. So here I'm trying to cut a perfect circle in the backs of these original turn signal and parking light housings that go in the front grille so that I can still maintain its original look, but I'm actually going to put some LED lights that are super common on trailers and big trucks and stuff, and I'll basically just epoxy them in there with something that I can easily cut out if I need to. And here they're both installed, and let's see what they look like. Hey, thanks everybody for watching. Hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on FrankenTruck and all the other projects I've got going on. Check out the FrankenTruck playlist for other videos about FrankenTruck and how I got started. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks again.